in a company, in a startup company, festival season is coming, and the boss decided to distribute bonus to all the employees because it's festival season. फेस्टिवल का सीजन है तो सभी को बोनस तो देने पड़ेंगे, तो बॉस ने डिसाइड किया सभी को बोनस दिया जाएगा, सभी एम्प्लॉइज को। तो हुआ ऐसा है कि एक एनवेलप में सभी के नाम का उसमें बोनसेस डाल दिए गए एंड द नेम वाज रिटन ओवर इट एंड द बोनस वाज गिवन इन द रेशियो ऑफ देयर salary, whatever the salary is having. So 10% or 20% accordingly it was given. So all the employees went and it was kept in a basket basically. Okay. Now all the employees went to receive their bonus envelope. According to their salary, the price was mentioned there. So all the employees went to pick their bonus envelope. Bonus. सभी लोग गया. Everybody went to pick their bonus, but there was one employee. Her name was Lisha. She did not go. She was feeling very lazy. She did not go. So what she did is that her other co-worker, employee, she told him that Alex, we're going to receive your bonus. No, bring mine too. She told Alex. Alex को बता दिया कि आप तो अपना वाला लेने जा रहे हो ना, मेरा वाला भी लेकर आ जाना. So Alex said, okay, no problem. Now Alex went. He saw in the basket that Lisha is getting a higher bonus than him. Maybe her salary was very high, so she was getting higher salary. Now he got tempted that nobody is seeing, nobody is looking after us, looking after him, and so he exchanged it. He took the bonus of her for himself and his one he exchanged basically. मतलब जो ज्यादा वाला जो बोनस था वो अपने नाम का रख लिया और जो कम वाला था वो उसके नाम का रख दिया. So he exchanged it and then he came now and he handed over the bonus to Lisha. Now Lisha understood that yes, this is not the bonus which I deserved. Lisha understood कि मेरे को तो ज्यादा मिलना था, मुझे कम कैसे मिल रहा है. Now she is so lazy that she did not pursue, she did not chase, she did not ask Alex that why I did got late. You may have exchanged it. इतना लेजी था कि उसने मतलब पूछा तक नहीं कि मतलब लोग क्या सोचेंगे, वो मेरे को क्या सोचेगा, लोग क्या बोले कि बोनस के पीछे भागता रहता है. इतना लेजी थिंकिंग that she did not go to ask her. Even she did not go to the authority that my bonus has been exchanged. इतना लेजी था. अब स्टोरी ज्यादा लंबा नहीं है, मैं बस ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि लोगों को इतना लेजी भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि एटलीस्ट हर काम दूसरों के ऊपर में सौंप दिया जाए. स्टोरी हियर, द लेसन हियर इज दैट नेवर डिपेंड फॉर एवरीथिंग टू ऑन टू अदर्स. नाउ डोंट ब्रिंग एनीथिंग एल्स हियर दैट हमें डिपेंड होना चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव टू डिपेंड ऑन अदर्स बट नॉट फॉर एवरीथिंग. कुछ चीजों के लिए हमें डिपेंड नहीं होना है. कुछ चीज जो हमें करना है वो हमें ही करना है. The thing which I have to do, I must do it. I should not delegate to somebody else. Now what Lisha did is that she was so lazy to do everything. Now she delegated to somebody else and her bonus was taken by somebody else. It was a loss. It was a loss for her, no? Bonus, everybody should get according to their salary, but she lost. She was a loss. She lost her bonus to somebody else. So this is the simple message I wanted to give you. Don't depend for everything. आप डिपेंड मत करो, डिपेंड करोगे तो नुकसान होगा. So this is what actually I wanted to tell you and I hope it was helpful for you. And do comment, share your opinions, views. If you like it, hit the bell icon. And that's all for today. This is Naresh Mato Intensify signing off. Take care.